Hey everybody, this is Josh with Arklatex Color Lab. If you're like me, cleaning your sensor before the season starts is your arch nemesis, but it can save you a lot in both image quality and money. I'd like to go through a couple of quick tips on how to clean your lens and your sensor and make sure you are ready and dust-free for the fall season. First, you want to take a test shot. This can be done on any white wall, but it needs to be relatively smooth and free of imperfections. Just point your camera at the white wall and snap a photo. Make sure your settings allow for a bright image without being overexposed. If your lens or sensor are dirty, you're going to see dust spots in the image, similar to this. Start by cleaning your front and rear lens elements. Use a lens cleaning cloth. Wipe the front of your lens until it's free of any dust. Make sure you blow off the outside of your camera where your lens attaches to make sure no dust gets inside. Remove your lens and follow the same steps for cleaning the rear lens element. Reattach the lens to your camera and shoot the same test shot that you did before. If you still see smudges, then you can clean your sensor very easily. Make sure you're careful though, because you don't want to scratch your sensor. Check your owner's manual for the instructions on locking the mirror up. First, use canned air. Most dust spots can be removed with just a can of air angled to the sensor that dislodges any particles. If you have a stubborn spot, you can use a sensor cleaning wand. These are specially made and can be ordered from Amazon or any camera outlet. Make sure you swab side to side. Once you're finished, turn your camera off, reattach your lens, and take the same test shot you did before. You should be dust-free. If you're still having issues though, your camera manufacturer or any camera repair shop will do a cleaning for you. That's it. Thank you guys for watching, and we're looking forward to a great fall season. Have a good one.